back to my channel, and I'm coming to you today with a unboxing of some makeup that I've purchased recently with my own coin. Yes, some more makeup, like I needed some more, but yeah. So the products I got from Karity, it's gonna be their new makeup palette, and I've had one of their palettes before and really liked it, but it's their Picante. However, it has this little sleeve that has the colors on the outside right there. And let's open it up so we can take a closer look at what the palette looks like. The shadows look like in the palette. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I cannot wait. Okay, now the palette is beautiful. Here go some of the colors: shimmers, mattes, frosted colors. Beautiful for fall and for summer. Beautiful colors. It has a array of shimmers and mattes throughout the palette. So real beautiful. I can't wait to create some looks out of this palette. Okay. The next item that I got from Karity are going to be their stripped down makeup wipes. And from the palette collection from Karity, I did order about 4 of their lip colors here. TikTok Boom is one, Candid is one, Matcha Gracias is one, and Problems is this one. But you can see the colors on the top of the box. It's like a moss like green color. I'm not sure if you can see it that good, but it has like moss green, a blue, Candid. It's like a deep kind of well, it's kind of red like color. And then TikTok Boom is a deep like burgundy color. So I cannot wait to try all of these colors out with a makeup look. I'm trying to open them so I can at least try to swatch it for you so you can get an idea of what they look like. Unfortunately, I don't have the scissors in here to get this tape off, but this is Candid, and oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. I'm not sure if it's coming up how red it is in the container, but that's that color. And we're going to open up TikTok Boom. See this color. And let's see if I can do a swatch real quick. That's TikTok Boom. Okay, and then we're going to put Candid. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful red. And hopefully it's coming up. And never mind that burn. That was a hazard from washing dishes and cleaning out the dishwasher. Okay, and here is Matcha Grace. Matcha Gracias. Okay, that's real beautiful color. Real beautiful color. Can't wait to try it out. We're going to swatch it so you're able to see it. Okay. Then the last one, but certainly not the least of them, we're going to open up Problems. And there's probably going to be some problems when I put it on, but we're going to definitely try these out with a look. Ooh. Beautiful. It almost go on like bluish black, like. Hopefully you can see it really good. But those are all the makeup and that I got with Karity. Now we have another box we're gonna do unboxing on, and these are some items from Juvias place. Okay, the first thing that I got from Juvia's place, and it's going to be their Try by Juvias. And just bear with me. So I'm trying to open these out so you can see what the palettes look like. Okay, and here's the first one. It's got an array of pretty blues and greens and oranges, some shimmers. That's a real pretty highlight type color right there in the center that can be used for highlights. And this one as well can be done as a highlight. But really beautiful palette. Okay, the next one I got is gonna be the Warrior by Juvias. The Warriors palette. And you know, I'm basically just trying to open them so you'll be able to see some of the colors that's in the palette. I'll try to put the link to these items in the description bar below. And here's the Warriors palette. A lot of beautiful earth tones in the palette. Shimmers, highlights, you name it. A lot of browns and golds, bronze colors that's in this particular palette. And it's always good to have. The next palette that we have is the Warriors 2 by Juvias. Okay, it's got a lot of beautiful fall colors in this one as well. It can be sort of transitioned out to do some summer looks, just depending on what colors that you pick from this particular palette. But it is an array of beautiful colors in this one as well. Real vibrant orange, like rust or brick type color. Can't wait to use that one. And the last one, but definitely not the least one, is the Warriors 3 by Juvias Place. And I think I'm a little late in the game with these palettes. A lot of people have already been purchasing them and using them. And I'm just now getting them. But it's better late than never. Okay, here's this one here. A lot of beautiful greens and yellows and pinks and blues. And it also has a blue shimmer here at the very bottom of this palette. A beautiful shimmery smoke gray out of here. So a lot of beautiful colors. That purple in the center is really beautiful. But yeah, this is all of the makeup that I've purchased. Palettes, lips. But this is all for my unboxing of my new makeup that I've purchased. Don't forget to come back for more content from me. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is kind of late night for me to be doing this, so excuse my energy level if it seems like it's kind of zonked out. I've had a lot of moving parts that happened on today. So yeah, so thanks so much for staying tuned with me, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, click that subscribe button to join the family, and thanks so much for watching.